Why did I decide on Medvale? There's so many groups that have invited me to be part of their group. In fact, I probably get an invitation at least every couple of weeks, if not every month, to be part of a different group. So it is important which ones you choose to spend your time in and to be able to get as much as you give to the group. So the first time that I met Jim, our mayor of Medvale, was at another CEO advisory group, interestingly enough. And we got to chat and we got to I got to hear his vision for what Medvale is and where Medvale is headed. And that was really what attracted me to it. He wanted it to be a community of healthcare innovators that really came together and did good problem solving. And one thing that he said to me that I thought was really unique to a group is he said, "Hey, we want to understand what you need." And then every other member will say what they need. And our goal as a community is to help everybody get what they need out of that group. And that's such an interesting concept because if you look at different medical conferences and healthcare conferences, you've got like the clinicians or the healthcare executives over here that are health system, and then you've got the vendors and the technology that's over here, and there's this very clear divide. Something that Medvale does is it kind of breaks down those walls and those silos, and it puts everybody together as a problem solver and says, hey, doesn't matter who you are, we're all coming to the same table and we're all trying to solve things together. And whatever you need, come to the group and ask. Whatever I need, I'm going to come to the group and ask. And I really have tried to achieve that with my Medvale relationships. I try to give as much as I get from the group. And sometimes you don't even realize the skill set that you have until somebody comes up to you and says, man, I heard you talk and you said this, and can we schedule an hour? I would really like to pick your brain on something. And I can do that just as much as they can. So having, an entire network at my disposal is really a wonderful thing.